Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So we're going on the road. I don't have much time, but when I reach to the car, I'll explain what I'll be doing today. So now come with me. Alright guys, so I'm there with
Kim's Beauty.
go over to our YouTube channel and check her out. So you know how me did I tell her say me want the stuff them? Cause me could have get for telling her when me dey home, cause Kim did a wait for me. But you know how me did I tell her say me want the stuff them for their table, like the thingy for the book rack, and the tray. I'm gonna see if we can get them today. And some other stuff. Alright. Mask on. So a time for go safety first. Alright guys, whoa man, I like the sun. The sun looks good on my skin, but it's so hot. So the goal today I have to get the stuff them for the workstation and to get the stuff them for the birthday, for Jason's birthday. The sun look nice for our skin. So here remind me and Kim that are the goal for today.
So guys, this is Iandra, and as I said before, we're going to go in Fontana Pharmacy.
I'm going to get it.
Why do you spray it to the back? Yeah, all the way. I can put it on under there.
Guys, we want lip gloss.
Oh, since LA gets a beer.
What for you? $8.50 for one of these guys, and I think it worth it.
No, not worth it. So in this one. Look nice. They look like a
Yeah, that one here nice. That much for it. Yeah, me I buy that one here. That one here not bad.
yeah, that one.
I really love that one here still. I don't want to give me too much of a color. Oh, that's my clever. It's just Valentine's. And him not.
You know, oh,
Come on now. Tell me something I see wrong.
no, sir.
Listen. Come, let me make sure I put your back up nice.
I don't know what's happening. But guys,
This is so cute. $5.99. This not bad. Me can drink some tea out of this for my birthday. But I don't know. I'm confused. I can go upstairs. First of all, stick to the evil with me, you know. Alright, so upstairs now. Oh, and I want a cup for my smoothie. Because I have my healthy stuff left in my smoothie. I look, wow. Geez, I want a container them. The amount of stuff I want. I should have walked with a basket. Excuse me, Kim, but this not bad. You know, look, this is nice. This look like share in
you
there.
can get me this. But
Alright guys, so instead I have this and it's not bad. But I just buy Jason this, so but I think he would have need this. I mean I like it and I don't like it. What is this? I like it and I don't like it.
yeah, something in the
Yeah.
kids and something just
And I want to buy my
put this in there.
yeah, and I want to buy my own wine. Whoa guys. As I said, if you now wonder what I want for my birthday, these are lovely. Oh my. I love these. I love this one especially. anyways, when I come for them here, but I still have to look because them nice. Alright guys, so far I have one lip gloss and I go buy one bottle for me shake. This not bad. This look nice, though. Oh, it's cool. I don't like to drink out of when the mouth look like this. I don't like that one there. I need something like a cup. This nice. I'm gonna take the bottle. I like the bottle. I put back the cup to make him. Wanna see what it says? I like it. So I'm gonna take the bottle. The bottle of $16.99. I like this. I rather this one. I take that one here. Boy, I can't make up my mind. But this nice. I like what this say. Work hard and be nice to people. Alright. So we are going to look. We're going to look around. Alright guys, see wine glass them here. Which one am I going to go with? One I like. I want something nice and classy. Not too big, not too small. Yeah, I just like a come take off. This one nice. Yeah, alright. So come on now, we're gonna carry them in. Oh, it's one let me go for one trolley. Alright guys, so I never come for a bottle and I never come to lip gloss. So basically I have like 2 items off of the list. So I get the wine glass. But I think I gotta buy my wine in here because I can go elsewhere and get it for a cheaper price. But I have the wine glass and I need my journal. I not left out here until I get the journal. Guys, get a journal. It's super helpful. I promise you. So them not have no vanity tray and them not have them say me to check downstairs if I see the book rack. So I could check. If not, we can just check somewhere else. I mean, I just want to get the stuff for them for Jason's birthday out of the way. We still the one I want now. Because I want to make me want to pick it up every time I look on it. Yes, girl. Yes, girl.
Yes, girl, guys. Look at this.
Cheese and peas and...
Yeah, good.
Oh my. I just want to be great. I just want to write how I feel. I like this. Yeah, I love this one. This one is so cute. How much feed? Oh my god. Yeah, dead. Why?
And it's dated as well. We have the months.
They have the affirmation thing or something? Pray, hope, trust. I love this one. I can't leave it. Yeah, I like this. Yeah, this I hate. Yeah, I like this. I like this. So guys, this is it. The one here may go with. Alright. Alright, so them not have the vanity tray. Them not have the book rack. So if we gotta do without them for now. Please. I'm gonna see if them have the helium balloon thingy. If not, we're gonna leave because we need to go get the wine. I'm gonna get the wine glass and some rum cream. And then I think what I want to cook on that day, because if I can get the stuff them that I want to cook on that day, that would have been so nice. I said I could have even cook oxtail, but knowing Jason, pick off the meat and tell me say I'm done it. But just want to cook something where I know say I'm going to just eat it and be happy and comfortable. I don't want to give him enough work. I make it just the food with bone him say are too much work. Guys, me look some balloon for decorate. So we finish. We're going to cash out now. And then go somewhere else to see if we can get some nice wine. Alright. You know how long we spend in there? You know? Huh? I'm not here, yeah? You want to go for a live video? You know what this will do? Oh! But just did I try to intimidate him, guys. We spent probably about 2 hours in there to come up with this. Alright, guys, so we went to the supermarket. We went to Brooklyn supermarket. And I pick up the rest of stuff them when I did want. Music did a play, so I couldn't get for sure now. But I bought some nice little wine. And I bought the stuff them when I go cook Sunday for Jason. So I bought chicken breast, pasta, and all of the good things that I know I go want. So I buy everything. The only thing I get now is just the something them for the workstation. I have water. Girl, I tell her I could do juice. And it feels so good.
So, taste this.
This is how big it is.
Nobody just want hot.
But it's not bad. Which one are the meat?
The broad meat.
Broad beef? We have that run back. So guys, we are home now. I'm finally home. Me shine. So I'm going to show you the stuff them when I buy now. And Kimona dropped me home. So yeah. I'm pleased with the stuff that I buy. That's one thing I love about Fontana. I get good quality stuff. So I bought this cute little bottle and it's a work hard and be nice to people. I buy them little balloons up here for Jason's birthday. It's no surprise. I really not try to surprise him. I just want the house to feel birthday-ish. So I buy this was a happy birthday. Oh my god. What am I gonna use blow them up?
What am I gonna do? I try.
I buy the 2 in a silver. And I buy the 8. I buy the little helium balloon, the heart. And I should think this is silver as well. White.
It is? Oh.
I'm gonna get some silver balloon for just blow up. As I say, it's no surprise. So if I put up the video and just to see it, it doesn't matter. Oh my. I'm showing it January. Each month have a have different theme. So that's June.
Soon come here.
That's purple. It's just nice, guys. And you tell me when I like it. I really love it. Hi, baby. Hi. You alright? I love you. Okay, later, yeah?
Soon come here, baby. Soon come, okay?
Guys, I really love it. And I bought these also, so we can wake up and be festive. And you know, just love him rum cream. Plus, I have another one that I got from for Christmas as a Christmas gift. So kind of have everything under control. And I buy the stuff them when I go use for Sunday dinner, which I gonna be Jason's birthday dinner. So in the fridge look empty and scanty. Me a transition, so the fridge not gonna look pack up on all of these things, but I have the fruits them in the back. I have the cooking cream for the little pasta. And I have the chocolate and the kiss. So me I go on. I just want the moment for just special. Me and him there home, we just relax, watch a movie, and I don't know the whole thing. So yeah, I tried. I'm gonna buy like vegetables, cucumber, lettuce, salad, all of them stuff there. So that's how I really are going. Banana. Guys, I'm telling you something. Me I try now. Me I try to make the day special because they care. I buy the banana them like this. So you know say by Sunday them ripe. Tell me if me not have sense. Tell me.
Right, true.
So that. Kim I go home, so me go put down the camera.
Yeah.
And send her to her yard.
She has shipped me out, guys.
Yeah.
Alright, before she ship me out, put on the camera so them can still see my owner at the store. And turn your back.
One hand them up button up my clothes. I wish she had do.
So I won't be seeing Iandra on her birthday. So I let Iandra choose her birthday present today. This is for you.
She got
That's her birthday gift. So
I thumbnail me a sneak and I take.
Yes, guys, so I hope she really did like it. A while ago, I'm telling us that I must have a good friend with something that look good.
Yes,
I
lucky things I'm make time no lie. Cause Kim, and then me did caught up to because me need it on my phone. So Kim walk over like, you like this? I feel like I forget this. And it catch me now because you know the whole situation with you. So I think that you get it for your list. Aww. I love it, guys. Thank you so much, Kim. Oh, no, no, I appreciate it. Oh, that's not the only gift me get. Lovell bought me a gift also. See them right here, so. But just never did ready to show them because me want unbox birthday gift. But I think me I get enough, and trust me, it's understandable the whole pandemic and nobody not have no money. Me can't even say nothing, nobody not have no money. So you don't have to buy me no gift. But Lovell got me gift. Yeah.
So I must watch my channel sneak peek on Angel birthday gift.
Yeah. So she buy me one wine. What is?
That's a wine.
A wine?
Sparkling wine.
Yeah, she get me this. Me not think me I go drink this, but me I go have it as decoration because it's very sweet.
Right.
And me I cut out the sweet. And picture frame with me and Jason. And keyring. Jason.
Which is so lovely.
And me on the back. And the one here have me.
Guys, this is so nice.
I don't know if you not see it. Me and then me and Jason on the back. And I really love them. I love them bad. So that's how I go on for the birthday gift them so far. When I'm a supporter message me out of nowhere like, Angel, do not have your birthday yet. And I said, not one plan I have. And the girl just come true for me. I'm just grateful. I really love you guys. Thanks for always supporting me. Remember last year me asked for 10K before my birthday. Now me asked for 50K. I'm super grateful if you want to support me. Thank you so much. My love nobody. Thanks for always supporting us, everybody, the whole group, crew, whatever, gang, whatever you want to call it. And we just really appreciate it. Road to 50K. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I said that back way. I don't know you see it back way. Sorry, but thanks for always supporting me. Bye, guys.